Let's sing together the song Forever by Tomlin, which uses 4 chords in the key of G. Uses the G, the C, the D, and the E minor. And the E minor only comes in the chorus, so mostly it's just G, C, and D. Let's start on the G chord. Here we go. Give thanks to the Lord, our God and King. His love endures forever, see. For he is good, he is above all things. His love endures, G forever. Sing D, sing C, G with a mighty hand and an outstretched arm. His love endures forever, see. For the life that's been reborn, his love endures, G forever. Sing D, sing C, sing D, sing C, G. Forever God is faithful, E minor. Forever God is strong, D. Forever God is with us, C. Forever and ever, G. Forever. Good work.